By the end of this video, you will be able to define the difference between weighted mean of grades and natural grading in Moodle. As we are working with instructors, we typically see two types of gradebooks, weighted mean of grades or natural grades. How do you know which grade aggregation fits your grading preference? Do you have multiple assignments that are worth a percent of the course total? For example, 6 homework assignments that are worth 30% of the course grade? Then you more than likely will use weighted mean of grades in Moodle. Do you explain your grading structure to your students as they are working to earn a certain number of points in your course? For example, the gradable items in your course equal 490 points. If so, then you more than likely will use natural grading in Moodle. Let's take a closer look at the two grade aggregations. The first type of grade aggregation in Moodle is weighted mean of grades. This gradebook involves grade categories and weights. To tell Moodle that you want your gradebook to calculate with this aggregation, you will need to click the very first Edit button and select Edit Settings. You will then see the drop-down menu for aggregation. You will want to select weighted mean of grades. An example of a gradebook with the weighted mean of grades aggregation is homework assignments worth 30%. Doesn't matter how many homework assignments are in this category, the grade is still only worth 30% of the course total. Quizzes are worth 20% of the course total. Projects are also worth 20% of the course total. The midterm exam is worth 15%, and the final exam is worth 15%. With this setup, you outline to your students how their course grade is calculated. In this example, homework is worth 30% of the course grade. It does not matter how many homework assignments there are. There could be 2 or 22. It is still only worth 30% of the course grade. We do recommend that if you use this grading aggregation, that you make all of your assignments out of 100 points. The reason is that it makes grading much easier for the instructor as well as the student. The second type of gradebook we see in Moodle is known as natural grading. To select this, again, you will click the first Edit button and select Edit Settings. Using the drop-down, you will select Natural Grading. In this example, this course has a project that is out of 100 points, a second project that is out of 100 points, quizzes that are worth either 40, 30, or 40 points, the midterm that is out of 80, and the final that is out of 100. So the course total and what the students are working to earn is 490 points. You have now seen the two types of grading we typically see instructors use in Moodle: weighted mean of grades and natural grading. For additional information, please contact Teaching and Learning Technologies at 336-278-5006 or email us at tlt@elon.edu.